Hey there! Running into the FortniteClient Win64 shipping.exe application error with the error status 0xc0000428 while firing up Fortnite on your PC? No worries, I've got you covered. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to fix this error so you can get back to conquering Fortnite. Let's jump right into the solutions without wasting any more time. Solution 1. Repair the game. Open the Epic Games launcher, then click on Library. Below the Fortnite poster, click on the 3 dots icon. After that, select Manage from the pop-up menu. Next, click on the folder icon. In File Manager, go to the Engine folder, then delete the Binaries folder. Go back to the previous folder, open the Fortnite game folder. Now delete the Binaries folder, close File Manager, and return to the Epic Games launcher. Click Verify to verify and repair any corrupted game files. After the repair process, check if the error is resolved. Solution 2. Update graphics driver. Open Settings, click on Windows Update, and then check for updates. If no updates are available, open Device Manager. Type Device Manager in the search box and open it. Expand Display Adapters by clicking the arrow. Right-click on your graphics card name and select Update Driver. Click Search Automatically for drivers. Device Manager will update your graphics driver if updates are available. After updating, close the tab. Alternatively, visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download and install the latest graphics driver. Reboot your computer and the error should be resolved. And that's how you troubleshoot this error. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then subscribe to our channel and drop a like. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.